For some of you, high school was a walk in the park, and for the rest of us, a great struggle. Nevertheless, we're all here because we've made it through this journey. We have taken the next step in our education with the support of friends and family. Some will go to college, and others, hopefully, join the workforce. However, something both groups will encounter regardless of where you choose to go will be people. People afraid of your capabilities, your determination to excel, your potential. Whether it's your roommate, coworker, boss, and sometimes even people you consider your friends will try to keep you down. They will try to stop you from reaching your true potential. David Brinkley, a veteran from World War II and an American newscaster for over 50 years, once said, "A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him." Keep this quote close to your heart and you should be alright. Yes, times will get harder. College will be demanding, stressful at times, very time and money consuming. People will tell you that you can't do it and you will have very difficult tasks. Yes, with moving out you will have to find a job to pay your rent, bills, and various expenses. Your parents may not be as close as they were at home and money will no longer be a question away. However, this new era in your life will also be one of the greatest you will ever experience. You will have less restrictions and you will be exposed to the real world with its sunny and rainy days. To build that strong foundation, we will have to be open to other cultures and ideologies. By throwing away those judgmental values and interacting with people outside our bubble, we can achieve that. We must understand that not everything is within our power and some things cannot be helped. The deaths of loved ones, events like tornadoes in Oklahoma. We must also accept criticism, learn from our mistakes, and remain positive. We must respect others but not waste time on those who don't deserve it. And finally, be safe. Don't follow the crowd and create our own path.